Hello and welcome to this quick guide on how to use Antmedia's Android SDK sample applications. To get started, first we're going to have to clone the project. And to do that, we first navigate to the Antmedia's Android SDK GitHub page, which we'll see on screen soon. Okay. Now we just copy the URL, run the command in our terminal, and wait for it to finish. Now we open our preferred code editor or IDE. In this guide I will use Android Studio. And now I just find where I cloned my project and open it. We wait a bit for Gradle sync to finish, and if everything is set up correctly, we should be able to launch our application. For this guide I will be using an Android emulator. Okay, now we wait for it a bit to start, and just launch our application. First thing we want to do is set up our WebSocket address to point to our server. For the scope of this video, we will not be installing Antmedia from scratch, so I will use one of our test servers. Now we just go to the settings and copy the URL of our server. Click save, and we go back. Now that we have our WebSocket set up, we will first check out our publish example. To do that, we just navigate to the Publish button and either set our stream ID or leave it as is and start publishing. To play our stream, we navigate to our Antmedia dashboard, like so, and we just click the play button from our Android test application. Another example we will check out in this tutorial is the play example. So to do that, we just go to the play part and replace our stream ID with the stream ID we are publishing. Currently I'll be using our test stream. Okay, so we start. And as you can see, there is the stream. Now I can just show you the stream from here. That's all for now. To check out our other samples, please go to our documentation, which should be linked below the video.